To continue the tutorial about how to measure an LDMOS, we chose it mounted on an RF module. The test here is very different because the measurement is influenced for the circuit proper of each RF module. So we can measure the drain because it probably will be in short circuit to ground, so it's very difficult to measure, but we can measure the input. Even in the input, it will be very different from the MOSFET itself because there are many components to make the polarization, to adapt the impedances, then change the resistance between the source or ground and the gate. But in any case, we can make a fast measure because typically the input resistance of the gate could vary between 2 kilo to 100 kilo, 2 MOhm. In any case, is very high in front to a real broken LDMOS that has few ohms. We will show you now just a real comparison. Here we will measure the input. We see that we have 3 MOhm. In other modules we can have even, for example, 10 kilo ohm or even less. But if I measure a MOSFET, in this case that really is broken, I measure 4 ohms. So let me say you that if I have the MOSFET mounted here and I measure, in this case, with the MOSFET mounted, I measure 4 ohms, it's real clear that this is broken. Because the real measure could be, as I told you, between 3 MOhm, could be also 100 kilo ohm, also lower depending on the input circuit diagram, but not so low as in this case 4 ohm.